Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree organization video. So as you can see, my refrigerator needs a lot of TLC. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I picked up some organization bins that they have there. And I do recommend that you guys go to your nearest Dollar Tree because they have tons of organization bins that will work perfect for your home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
So the first thing I did was started to empty out the whole refrigerator, and then I decided to go in there with my current favorite at the moment, the Method Anti-Bac in the bamboo scent, and then to give it a quick wipe down before I started to put everything back in.
Adventure times, another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention, so you would say yes. I don't see the things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I'm not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
So we did go grocery shopping this day, which was a plus because I was able to fully restock our refrigerator. And these are the bins that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I got different sizes and different shapes just to see what worked best for me.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, 'cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about it.
So I have two boys. I have a 6-year-old son and a 2-year-old son, and they are growing very quickly as well as their appetite. So I always have to keep my refrigerator stocked with snacks for them. And then also my 6-year-old son is in soccer, so he always takes snacks to his practice also. So mommies know how important it is to have snacks on hand.
Out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about our curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse beating, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
I am loving how it turned out. Everything looks so much more organized, so much more clean, and the snacks are easily accessible for my boys. And again, you guys, the bins are all from the Dollar Tree. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoy these type of videos. Please comment below what type of videos you would like to see. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, you guys.